In 2026, Houston will face one of its biggest real estate shifts in decades. FEMA and Harris County are redrawing flood maps using new, high-resolution data, reshaping how thousands of homes and investments are classified. For many property owners, the lines on those maps could mean higher insurance costs, new lending requirements, or unexpected legal obligations. Understanding these changes now is the key to protecting your investments later. The new maps are part of FEMA's MapNext project, an effort years in the making that integrates satellite imaging, LiDAR elevation data, and post-Harvey rainfall models. The result? A more accurate picture of where water really flows during extreme storms. Areas once considered safe may soon fall inside the expanded 100-year floodplain, redefining flood insurance requirements across the city. For any property with a federally backed loan, insurance becomes mandatory once that home falls inside a high-risk zone. Premiums that once averaged under $1,000 could soar into the thousands, depending on elevation, structure type, and flood history. Texas law also requires landlords to disclose flood risk information to tenants, meaning these updates affect more than just property value. They shape compliance, transparency, and trust. Maryland and the Braes Bayou corridor have seen repeated floods, and they're at the top of the watch list. Westbury and Sharpstown face aging drainage systems that could tip them into stricter zones, while Alief and the reservoir areas around Cypress Creek are under review. Even neighborhoods previously outside the lines could soon see mandatory insurance requirements. The best defense is awareness. Review your property's address by address as soon as draft maps are released. Budget for new insurance premiums and update your leases to reflect flood disclosure requirements. If possible, add mitigation upgrades like flood vents or raised utilities, small changes that can significantly lower your risk and costs. Houston's flood maps are changing, and so is the way we protect our homes and investments. By acting now, you can turn risk into resilience and uncertainty into preparedness. Because when the waters rise, knowledge and planning are the strongest defenses you can have.